Sorry. That was pretty bad. Look at all these guys. That guy... What was that? What is that? My poop was so bad, I knocked over a lamppost in the street to take a bath after. You guys hear that congestion in my throat? Water. A poopy mouth. Oh, sorry. This is poopy. Oh, I got poop running down my back right now. Oh God. This is it. Oh goodness. Guys, that's so gross. I gotta go change. I'll be right back.